What will the Honor View 20 look like? At the moment we don't know exactly, but the display may be the most exciting feature. Honor will forego a large display notch, and adopt a circular screen cutout to house the front-facing camera. The company will call this the Honor All-View display, and claims it will be the first to showcase an in-screen camera. The device was shown briefly at an event in Hong Kong, where the Honor brand launched for the first time. Will the upcoming Honor View 20 be a hardware powerhouse? The View 20 will ship with a Kirin 980 processor, and it, along with the dual ISP and dual NPU image and artificial intelligence features, will power a 48-megapixel camera. Using a Sony IMX586 sensor, Honor says the View 20's camera will be able to deliver photos with 48 megapixels, with masses of detail even when zoomed in. Together with the AI, the camera will take multiple pictures and collate them together for a single, hybrid high-definition image. Additionally, Honor will introduce Link Turbo, which again uses AI to assess the best network connection out of Wi-Fi and cellular, based on signal usage and network conditions, and switch seamlessly between them. While the camera and Link Turbo are official, rumors state the phone will have 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB storage space, and a micro SD card slot. We also wouldn't be surprised to see 40W charging make its way to the Honor View 20. There is nothing in the way of software leaks for the upcoming Honor View 20. That said, historical smartphone data makes it pretty easy to flesh out software details. We believe the Honor View 20 will ship with Android 9.0 Pie. You can also expect to see Huawei's custom UI, EMUI 9, make an appearance on the phone. It's also a pretty safe bet Huawei's suite of productivity apps will ship with the phone. Private Space allows you to create a private home screen that can be completely hidden. App Lock and App Twin allow you to secure and create multiple instances of apps on the Honor View 20. When should we expect to see the Honor View 20? Honor will announce a new smartphone that will most likely be the View 20 on January 22, 2019, at a media event in Paris. This has not been officially confirmed at this time. There are no firm details for pricing, but, again, we don't expect pricing for the V20 to venture too far from its predecessor at around the $500 to $600 range.